Ram Ram. I am Dr. Kannan. I am the consultant and also head the radiation therapy department in PD Hinduja Hospital, Magem, Mumbai. By 21st of September 2023, we are completing 25 years of service for cancer care with radiation therapy facility. In 1998 and later in 2001, we started two advanced treatment facilities with radiation therapy called as 3D CRT and IMRT. These type of radiation therapy treatment for cancer care was much different compared to the earlier ones, which was 2D. In 3D treatments which we had at that time, we make sure that the tumor volume is perfectly mapped by means of a scan, either a CT or an MRI, and this volume of the tumor is perfectly covered by the radiation beam. So radiation beam envelops it, higher doses is delivered to the tumor, at the same time surrounding tissues get the lesser doses, higher chances of a control and lesser toxicity. This is what we started, and we are the first one in India to do this, and we also published our data. Few years down the line in 2007-2008, we started the 4D treatments. Example, in lung tumors and liver tumors, there are physiological movements. So our radiation beam is matched to such a level that the movements are taken into account. In 2015, we went a step ahead. We instituted a newer technology called VMAT IGRT by means of a true beam linear accelerator. This VMAT technology is a step ahead of IMRT. It is an expansion of IMRT called as volumetric IMRT. Here, the entire treatment is done in a shorter time, and the patient remains in the room for treatment much shorter time and more comfortable for them. And also, during this time, we do a CT scan, and literally we see the tumor and we treat the tumor. So like a surgeon seeing and treating, we do the CT scan, see the tumor and perfectly match the radiation beam to that. So this VMAT IGRT is one of the most advanced technology we had. And later, with this technology, we were able to do something called as SBRT for the lung tumors. The SBRT is a stereotactic body radiation therapy, and we will be able to deliver the treatment in a matter of a week to 10 days. And the early tumors, like for example a stage 1 tumor of the lung, can be cured with SBRT. In India, the common tumor we come across is a breast cancer. In breast cancer, whenever we treat, we have to be very cautious so that we don't over-treat the underlying tissues. Example, we have to protect a lot the heart and the lungs, which are just behind the breast areas. So we treat this by means of something called as an expansion of a 4D. It is called 4D DIBH radiation therapy, or deep inspiration breath hold radiation. By this, good protection of the lungs and the heart we are able to achieve it. Also, we developed our brachytherapy facility way back in 1998. We do a lot number of interstitial brachytherapy for cancer treatments in whichever sites it's applicable. And we are one of the very few sites in India who have interstitial brachytherapy for a prostate cancer. All our data have been published, clinical care, the treatment data have been published in international journals and have been presented in many international forums. The facilities we have is added on by means of having something called as a prone breast RT, which is a small addition to the existing 4D DIBH RT. So 25 years of service, we have taken a major step, starting something for the first time in India, like for example the 3D CRT, IMRT, 4D RT and prone breast treatments. Our cancer care total completion, in addition to radiation therapy, we have the medical oncology facility, surgical oncology facility, good imaging facility, and also we have the ancillary facilities. We are at your service, and any queries, you are welcome to come to our website and clarify them. Thank you.